learn how to make a simple Bumblebee drawstring tote bag. Just download the free pattern by following the link in the description below, and then follow along with the step-by-step tutorial. To start with, you want to sew the middle piece to the bottom piece with right sides together. Then you want to sew the top piece to the middle piece, again with right sides together, and repeat that process for the back of the bag as well. Now you want to get the wings ready. Apply interfacing to 2 of the wing pieces. Then sew the wings together in pairs with right sides together. Clip the curves and turn the wings to the right side through the top. Then press the edges and top stitch if you would like to. Baste the wings to the top of one side of the bag. Now you want to get the tabs ready. Fold the sides of the tab pieces to the center and then fold them in half and sew along the length of the tab pieces. Then fold the tabs in half and baste them to the bottom of the back of the bag. Now let's get the casings ready. Hem the narrow sides of both casing pieces. Then fold your casings in half and sew them to the top of the bag on both sides. Sew the front and the back of the bag together with right sides together. Turn the bag to the right side, and then add the drawstring to the casing. After adding your drawstrings to the casing, you want to tie each of them to the tabs that were sewn in earlier. And you're finished! You have a cute Bumblebee tote bag.